Today we are going to talk about WP Reset and the lifetime deal that help you to restore, reset and manage your WordPress site in a safe and easy way. If you ever made a mistake on your site or installed too many plugins or themes and things got messed up, this tool can really save you, and this lifetime deal makes it even better because you get the strong feature without paying again. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best discount and easy access deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the discounted offer link. You don't need any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from the description. Now let's talk about the WP Reset and why this deal is such a good option. WP Reset is a simple tool that gives you the full control over your WordPress website. Sometimes when you building a site, you may try many plugins, you experiment with designs or test new features. After all that, the site becomes slow, messy, or even breaks completely. WP Reset helps you to clean everything in a safe way. You can reset the whole site in one click, or you can only clean the specific parts. It also creates the snapshots so you can go back to a clear version of any time. So if something goes wrong, you can restore everything instantly like a time machine for your website. Another useful thing is the emergency recover tool. Even if your WordPress login is broken or you cannot access the dashboard, the emergency recovery tool can bring your site back. This gives you peace of mind because you don't have to worry about losing your work. It also keeps your plugins and themes organized, and you can remove junk file with just one click to make your site fast again. The lifetime deal on the AppSumo is helpful because WP Reset usually works with subscription payments. But with this deal, you pay once and you can keep using all the features without any extra cost. If you work with multiple websites or want long-term safety for your own website, the lifetime deal gives you good value. Instead of fixing errors manually or paying someone to repair your site, you can manage everything yourself with a few clicks. Now, if you work on client website, this tool also saves time. You can prepare a clean environment, install your favorite plugins and themes instantly, and reset everything easily when the project is done. So it also helps you to avoid mistakes and gives you a backup plan if anything breaks. So whether you are a beginner or someone who builds websites regularly, WP Reset gives you simple control, the safety and the speed. So if you want to grab the lifetime deal, the link is in the description. Make sure to use that link so the discount is applied automatically. So thank you so much for watching this video, and this was Easy Access Tech to help you to find the simple tools for your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and check the description for the deal link. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.